Hi, Dogface here. Today we're in the outdoor makerspace, otherwise known as the garage. We're going to work on this old Rock Island 574 vise. I acquired it recently from my father when he passed away, and it's been in my life since I can remember. I don't ever remember a time since we had it. Don't know when he actually got it. It's made in March of 1956, so right now that makes it 62 years old. Weighs in at a hefty 65 pounds. It's got a patina of rust on it. It needs to be taken care of. The bottom part, as I move it here, you can see it doesn't slide the way it should. You need to get in there and lubricate it. It's a great vise. It's super strong. It's super heavy. Weighs in around 65 pounds. I've had a Harbor Freight vise mounted here for many years, and just the comparison between the two of them, there isn't a comparison. When you crank down on this thing, it doesn't flex and bend. It just squeezes tighter and tighter. It's an amazing tool. I love using it. There are folks, though, that say you shouldn't redo these old tools like this, that they've earned their patina. I'm not one of them, and I believe that you should make things your own. If you look close at this one, it's got, you can see here, some gray paint. So it was painted at one point. I'm going to paint it a different color. I'm going to clean it up, and hopefully it'll last another 62 years, and my son can inherit it from me when I pass away. Until that time, though, I'm going to use the heck out of this tool, because if you're a maker, you have to have a vise. I don't care what you have, a vise has got to be one of those tools. So hang tight. We're going to speed up, and you can see the redoing of this beautiful old vise. gorgeous. It's nicer than it was when it was new. Didn't have that gold leaf effect on the name. It was just painted gray. It was an industrial vise. Nobody gave it a second thought. And now it's on my workbench, and it's going to be there a long time. It's going to get a lot of use. Enjoyed making this video for you. I enjoyed thinking of my father the entire time that I was working on it. If you like this sort of thing, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And until the next time, y'all have a nice day.